Let's have a look. And how much did this cost us tonight? Yeah.
WKD.
Yeah.
Children's cheeseburger. Yeah, so you got £10 off.
Right, 5-star Michelin. It is not. Right, so this is the room. Yeah, this is the lodges. So it looks like there's some sort of CBeebies festival or party going on. Doesn't look like it started yet. But it looks like they're setting up for it. 10 years celebration, right? Oh, okay. We'll have to get some details for that. See what it's all about.
Yeah. So we'll see when we're in.
So for another year running, the Skyride is not working, so you can't get about through the park using that, which is a shame. It's actually a really nice ride just to chill out and get across the different areas of the park. Yeah, it's a massive birthday cake, isn't it? Look. Really cool.
Yeah, like you know when we watch YouTube.
Yeah.
Kids one.
Yeah.
It's actually like Madagascar kids when I make a cake as big as that one.
Really?
Yeah.
That's massive, isn't it? Yeah, come on. Right, so when we go into the CBeebies Land, yet again, this is the favourite of the kids, so this is what we're going to do. So tonight, this is our accommodation. What are they called? The Wilderness Lodges or something?
Woodland?
Woodland Lodges.
Woodland Lodge.
There we go, I was close.
Wilderness.
No, I think they're like little witches' lodges, little hobbits.
No, it's fairies.
Fairies.
Yeah, there's like toadstools over there on the kids' bit.
So yeah, it's like a little village.
Like a little hobbit.
Yeah, a little hobbit village of all the different hobbit people, isn't it? So.
I don't watch it.
And just over there, there's actually big, massive lodges that you can rent out for like £1,000 a night.
Yeah, I think you can get them with the Merlin discount. I think you can get them for $8.50.
Oh right, okay.
I see it on there for $8.50. It's
Yeah.
alright if there's loads of you. If you've got like a special occasion.
But it's really expensive.
It's got
We've got a hot tub and stuff like that.
Kitchen. Yeah, it's like self-catering.
Yeah. I wonder if the shop's open. This shop's hardly ever open. It might be.
It does, it opens from a certain time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is open.
Oh, it is open. So there's a little shop, just in case you forget anything. What kind of stuff they got in there? You alright with the kids? 1 second. Let's have a look. Hello. So they got some booze if you forget your drink or if you fancy a tipple. Got sweets. A bit of merch as well. Loads of different bits and pieces, and some essentials there behind the counter there as well, in case you forget any of your toiletries and stuff. So that's all right, not bad little shop. Obviously it helps if you got your Merlin pass, because you get 25% off, or up to 25% off. But then each one of these little shires, if you will, has got like a playground in it. Now this one's got a swing. Silly sausage. Can you get out?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Wait.
There's actually like, this is the restaurant we're going to. It's called the Crooked Spoon. Yeah, that's what I just said. It's got like a playground as well and stuff.
It's nice because in the evenings it's all lit up and there's all fairy lights everywhere.
Yeah, maybe when it's dark we'll come out for a little walk, or I'll go out for a little walk and show them. Right, we're going to go up this hill, aren't we, to the restaurant.
Go to the restaurant.
Welcome to the restaurant. Here we go. And this is also the place that we have breakfast as well, which we could show you in the morning as well. And how much did this cost us tonight? £169 was it? £169 for us to stay. So this is the restaurant. Just here. So they've just told us how to order, and what is it? It's a bit like a Wetherspoons really, isn't it?
So you order you've got a QR code, so you can order on the QR code on your phone. If you don't want to do that, you want to actually speak to someone, you can order at the till point now, and don't order your main and your dessert together at the same time, because otherwise it will come up at the same time. So you order your food and then you come back and then order your dessert.
Right, okay.
But you can pay cash if you want, or card, but if you're doing by the app, it's just card.
Okay. So let's have a little look at the menu then. So you've got a kids menu there. So you've got cheeseburger, fish fingers, chicken nuggets or pasta. And then you've got brownies, stuff like that for dessert. And then for the adults, we got there's the starters from the grill.
Charlie, you want to do colouring? Sorry. Charlie, do you want to do some colouring, darling?
There's a couple of different options there. And then dessert as well. Alright, so I'll check back in a little while and I'll let you know what we've ordered and we'll show you what we got. Right, so we've ordered. Sophie went up to the bar, so what did we get?
Pint of Corona.
Yeah.
WKD blue.
Yeah.
I've got a children's cheeseburger, crispy chicken tenders children's, and a children's tomato pasta, because I didn't know what Charlie wanted. And then I've got you a burger, and that comes to £44.
With the discount?
With discount, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was 55 without.
Okay.
Yeah, so you got £10 off. So
alright. That's alright then, isn't it? Let's see how it comes out. So literally, and it's the fastest I've ever had. It's faster than McDonald's. The food is already here. Let's take a look. So we've got the kids' meals. We've got pasta. Thank you. Yep, cheers. I've got the burger. We've got a kids' burger just there, and then chicken nuggets. And then we've got our drinks as well. So that's alright, it was really fast, wasn't it? Yeah. So we'll let you know how it was in a minute. Right, 5-star Michelin it is not, but it will do. Especially after we've been wandering around the theme park all day, eh? So, yeah. So, yeah, it weren't too bad. The service was very, very, very quick. Like I say, it was literally as quick as McDonald's, so definitely quick. And it was hot and edible, so can't complain. So Jack's just going on the playground now, so I think we're probably going to stop in the shop and get ourselves a couple of drinks and then go back to the room, put the kids to bed, and then start again tomorrow. Right, so this is the room. You get a double bed in here. We've got a cot for Noah.
We brought our own mattress.
We brought our own mattress, we always do. You get a little telly on the wall, which is alright, and then you get like tea making facilities just over here.
We did have biscuits, but the children have already eaten.
Yeah, we've already eaten the biscuits. Then you get like a wardrobe space where you can put your clothes and bits and pieces just there. What's in here? Oh, hairdryer. A little stool so you can get ready in front of the mirror. Then over here you got like these little side units as well with USBs and switches. Really old telephone. You got the same over that side.
USB,
you never used to, did
no,
they?
I didn't, but it's a new thing.
Yeah, so that's good.
And a new pillow.
Oh, yeah,
it's
look.
a round pillow.
Yep. And we did get a book as well. Oh, there we go. That's it there. Give you a little book that you can read to your kids, or they can read themselves if they can. So you get your standard bathroom there with a shower and bath. There we go. Yeah, you got a little heated towel rail there as well. So yeah, not bad. It looks quite clean as well. It's not doesn't look dirty or anything like that, so that's good. And also you get your mirror there and your sink, your soap. It used to get like little sachets of soap and stuff like that, but now they've got the dispenser ones, which is quite cool. Then so you've got all these seats as well. It's a bit weird really having all them seats. I don't know what they're for. But there we go. And in here you've got the kids being crazy. So you've got a bunk bed, top and bottom, and then at the bottom there's a pull-out one as well. And yeah, a little fan as well in case it gets a bit hot. And yeah, that's it pretty much. Good morning all. It's the next day. And we just thought we'd give you a little show, or show you the lodges that we were talking about yesterday. So let me show you. So we're not going to go to breakfast this morning, basically because we slept in. But hey ho, it's a buffet breakfast, a standard buffet breakfast. But yeah, this is the lodges. At night it's all lit up. And you can stay in one of these. I don't know if they're all sort of the same size inside, but they don't seem to be on the outside.
They're the same price.
Yeah. And sort of like they've got a back porch and stuff like that. I wonder if I can see the. I wonder if I can see the back porch if I'm a bit sneaky. Look, oh here we go. Look, so you can see there. It's got like a hot tub and stuff like that there. I'm not going to go around the back because somebody might be in it. But yeah, it's very private.
And a bear might get you in.
Good. Good.
I just made Charlie's second nightmare.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh look, someone's in this one. Look at that. Look, there we go. See in there. Yeah, so I think they're 4 bedrooms. So if you've got 4 couples and you want to share it, like I say, I think it's about £1,000 to stay in these a night. So they're not cheap, but if you fancy a special night away with some friends or family, then why not? And then as we go up this little hill, this takes us back to where the restaurant was yesterday.
Get a little swing. You never know what's on the menu today.
Yeah. Right, so we're now at the car park where you go 2 different ways. So there's one way where you go in if you're a hotel guest, and another way where you have to go all the way around the park. So you can see the car parks behind me, that's where the hotels are and the mini golf. And then just here, this is where they will tell you to either go up that road or go left into the back of the park. But luckily, as we stayed in the hotel last night, we can just go in here.
Did you see that